Go.
All right, today we're going to show you how to operate the CNC router. First thing you'll do when the router's in storage position is you'll come up to it and you'll pick it up and you'll kick the wheel chocks out so you can move it. And you have to keep it sturdy so it doesn't fall down. It is pretty top heavy. And what I've found works the best is kind of grabbing these rails when you're picking it up to lift the wheel chocks out. So then what you do is use this handle and scoot it to the location that you want it. So once we arrive at the location that we'll cut at, set it down gently. And then we need a large number 3 Phillips screwdriver. We'll come over here to this pivot plate and we'll remove these 4 screws. Make sure that the screws stay close by. So after you've removed your screws, set the screwdriver down somewhere by the pivot, and we'll come over here to the router carriage and we'll slowly scoot it out. And as we scoot it out, we want to lower these wheels and slide them up on the slot that's on the outside. And sometimes you kind of have to work at it to get those wheels to go up. But we'll get the camera here on the back side so you can see where the wheels go. You can see there's a slot right here. You want to make sure that this nut is on the outside of this V-shaped slot. So once you have that, you scooch this out gently until it's at about 90 degrees or perpendicular to this base part. You'll come back over here to the pivot plate, look in these holes, see that they're about aligned, and then you'll drop these screws in and start screwing them in. Make sure that you get proper thread engagement. And then we'll just tighten them down. I don't like to tighten them all the way yet at first. I like to get them all bottomed out, and then we'll go back through and torque the screws down. And you'll feel that some of the screws have a little more resistance when you're putting them to the bottom. That's okay. And to achieve the proper torque on these screws, you'll just want to get a feel for it by hand, but if you're really concerned, don't exceed 15 foot-pounds of torque. But just give it a good hand tightening. You'll feel when it's good. All right, and that's the setup portion of this. Stow your screwdriver away, and then we are ready to place a workpiece.